Hello friends, in this video we will break down how to get the biggest airdrop on Starknet. 1. Use Dune to analyze your position and try to be in the 10%. 2. Buy and sell coin NFT in Starknet. 3. Deploy the contract in Starknet. The following is a step-by-step instruction. You may need to know the code. 4. Video tutorial on how to deploy a contract to Starknet. 5. You can participate in the Starknet Adventure 2 weeks starting July 30th. 6. Use the official bridge more often than third-party bridges. 7. Use Argent XM Global's wallet. It's better to use both, exchange and interact in the wallet. 8. Exchange. Enter LP with multiple protocols running on Starknet. 9. Use testnet just in case. 10. Possibly get a domain and identity on Starknet official tag.